Ujjayi, victorious breath. On this page, we will be discussing Ujjayi breath. Victory is energizing and relaxing. The sound of Ujjayi is created by contracting the throat slightly. The breath is optimally long and smooth. A push and a pull of the diaphragm. If you'd like to join me, let's begin. Align head over heart over pelvis. Draw your shoulders back and together and engage in Muladhara Bandha, root lock, like you're sitting on a cold block of ice. Uddiyana Bandha. Engage navel towards the spine. And Jalandhara Bandha by locking the chin into the neck and finding length through the crown of the head. Breathe through your nose and slightly constrict the back of your throat. Balance your effort. Maintain quality of breath. Imagine drinking through a straw. The waves crashing on the shore of the beach. Long and smooth. A push and a pull of the diaphragm. Balance your effort and maintain your quality of breath.